Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the limited edition Zinser Retro Speaker recipe in Heartopia. So this special furniture recipe is a reward from a hidden gossip class that called Special Security Blanket. But first you need to trigger and finish that quest. And if you don't know how to trigger or finish that quest yet, just check the link in the description for the full guide. And once you have successfully completed this quest, this special security blanket quest, just wait until the next in-game day. After that, open your mailbox, this one, and then in here you can see it. You will receive a letter from Eric, this one. And inside this mail you will find the Zinser Retro Speaker recipe. This one, you can see it. You can get it as your rewards. And this recipe is a limited furniture item, so make sure you claim it. So just tap on claim like this, and then just tap on learn, and then after that, this Zinser Retro Speaker can also be used to trigger the next hidden question, where you can earn a really cool stand-make furniture item. And okay, that's how you can get this Zinser Retro Speaker recipe in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!